Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing an unboxing video for the new Noisefit Active smartwatch. So I had ordered it on the launch date, it is on 21st, but I have received it today. So I will do this unboxing, and this is my first watch from the Noise company, so I'm expecting much out of it. So we'll start with the unboxing. So this is the box, and they have given the invoice bill. So keeping it aside, so in the box they have mentioned the features like Noisefit Active, blood oxygen monitoring, 1.28-inch color touch display, and 5 to 7 days battery life they are mentioning. They are also mentioning stress monitor here, we need to see, and resolution is 240 by 240 pixel resolution, and it is 5 ATM waterproof. So you have a female health tracking also, and best is you have the option for cloud-based watch faces, and you have dedicated 14 different sports mode. So here it is written as Noise, and you have this barcode for the app, and the box is very nice. In terms of the pricing mentioned here, it is has 5,999. So actually there was a launch on 21st, and the price was 3,499. I think the pricing will be changed after some days, so I am not sure about it, but I have got it at 3,499 rupees. So let us open this box now. So let's see what we get in this box. So we have some paperwork. I think it's basically the warranty card, so that you can register for warranty, and this is basically the user manual. So keep this aside, let's see how the watch looks. So this is how you get it. Okay, so this is the watch. So I had selected this silver color option. And what else we get in the box is the charger. So I think it is a magnetic Pogo pin type charger. Yeah, it is the same charger. So okay, so we'll remove this first. So once you get this watch out of the box, you try to on it, it won't get on. So initially you need to connect it to the charger like this, and after that it will show you this screen. So basically you will be seeing this screen. So it says download the Noisefit app to your phone from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. There is a barcode also here. So what you need to do is you need to download this Noisefit app. So you have to go to the Google Play Store and search for Noisefit app. So it will be like this. This is the app, Noisefit Health and Fitness. So you can get this app here. So I have already downloaded it. So you can get it from Play Store. And after downloading, if you open this app, it will show you this interface. So here is the option for pair your device. So if you click it here, please on your Bluetooth first. You can select your watch here and scan this barcode. Yeah. Once you scan this barcode, you will get the notification here. You just accept the notification here, and it will get on here. See, you can see it has started. So in this it is already connected, so it says get started. So if you do that, it will go to the app interface. So they have varieties of menu here. So they have a shop option where they have all their noise products here. So then is an option for activity. So right now we have not started. So here is a option for watch face. So best thing is they have also given the customized watch face option here. And currently I am seeing there are different watch faces here. I think there are almost 25 to 30 watch faces. and this is the setting. So here you can set, and it is showing me the battery percentage of the watch also. So it is right now it is showing 70%. Connected device, noise fit active, and this is all other settings. So this is how it is. You need to do this initial setup to connect your watch. Starting from the physical overview, the watch is quite good in terms of build quality. So they have given a very good quality straps, as well as the build looks very good. So this is a polycarbonate, actually it is not metallic. So, and this is basically, they have given a metallic finish, so it is a rose gold color, but if you see in their website it looks like a glossy golden color, but it is not that. It is a matte finish kind of golden color. And the strap is a polyurethane strap of 22 mm size. So these are replaceable straps, so where you can replace it with other customized or different color straps. So, and next thing, if you see on this side you have the two dedicated buttons. So this button is for power on, as well as you can use this for main menu. So, and next button is separately dedicated for sports mode. So coming to the screen size, it has a 1.28 inches PFP LCD round display, which has a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. I like this golden color basically, so I had purchased this. So you can also go with the black or blue color. So coming to the water resistance, so it is 5 ATM water resistant. If you go inside, so you will see a watch face here. So if you want to change this watch face, you need to just long press it and swipe the right side. So once you do it, you can see right now, if you see, there are only three watch faces over here, but you can use the cloud watch faces option. So if you click this, it will take that watch face. So when you click this button, as I was saying, this is for main menu. If you click this button, it will go to the main menu. In this main menu, if you see, there is a first option called health data. So if you click on that, it will show you the details of your walking. So as you can see, 797 steps. So if you go down, it will show you the calories, how many calories you have burned. And if you go down again, it will show you the kilometer readings, like how many kilometers you have walked. So if you swipe like this, it will go back. So then second option is sports mode. So one thing I have seen is now it is showing as workout mode, but initially it was showing me all the 14 sports mode. During my setup, I had got one update. After update, I'm seeing that it is only showing this workout mode. So I think there is some bug out here. So it will be fixed in the further update, I guess. So presently it is showing like this, only workout mode it is showing. And if third option is record. This basically is if you go to a particular sports mode and do some workout, this will be stored here. So if you click out here, it will show you all the readings, like see exercise duration, calories burned, etc. So this is basically it will stored in this record. So next option is heart rate. So here they are saying it has 24/7 heart rate monitoring. So once you open the app, automatically it will be starting to trace your heartbeat, and it will be giving you the reading. So what is the maximum heart rate, minimum heart rate, particularly it will be giving the reading. So as you can see, it is currently measuring the heart rate. I think that it must show error because I have not varied it. So let's see, is it given? No, see, as you can see, wear the watch tightly and retry. This is what it is giving me the notification. So okay, we'll go back. So then there is an option here, it has sleep. So right now I have not don't have any data here, so it is not showing. So this is for sleep monitoring. And next option is blood oxygen monitoring. So here we'll see whether it shows the data or not. It does not show. I was checking for a while after the setup. So sometimes showing, see, it has shown again. So I don't think it must give some notification like as it was giving in the heart rate measurement, but it is showing some measurement. So it is some sort of a bug, I guess, or needs some improvement in terms of sensors via software update. So next you have stress. See, this is also, they are saying it has continuous, in the sense if you wear it, automatically it will show you the stress data. So whether if you are stressed or not, automatically will be getting the notification. But after the update, I'm seeing like if I'm wearing after the some intervals like 20 minutes or 30 minutes, it is giving me the notification. I'll just post you one snapshot also regarding that. So it is showing some notification for high stress level. So but I don't think that is true, because after every 30 seconds it is showing me the same details. I think that is again some drawback or there is a bug in the update, or they have to optimize their sensors in this case. So then next is breathing. So this is basically for the breathing exercise. Then you have a stopwatch. So that is most common feature. Timer, if you can keep the timer like for reminders and all. So alarm, it is also a basic feature. Here it will, if you keep the alarm, it will be notifying you with the vibration, because it doesn't have a dedicated speaker here. So this is also a good feature. So this is basically for music control. It will control your music which is playing in your smartwatch. So this is the weather forecast. So if you connect to your app, automatically it will update the time this thing weather details, and it will show you. And there is an option for find my phone. So this is also if you connect to your mobile, so automatically if you use this option, you can find your phone. And last option is settings. So this is all it is. And another thing, if you swipe it from upside, if you swipe, you will get a notification of your messages or app notification here. And if you swipe it from downside, you will get these details which says you the time, battery percentage, Bluetooth connectivity, and this is basically the raise to wake function. You can on it and off it. And this is regarding the brightness level, you can adjust it here itself. And this is basically the settings. So this is how it is right now. So that's all for today's video. Once I check all the sensors, I will come up with a dedicated in-depth review for this watch. So please be tuned to my channel, and we'll see you in my next video. Thank you.